Hello there. I'm Lillian Raji, luxury brand strategist, founder of thePRadvisor.com, and the person who got Claudio Pino's jewelry into the blockbuster film Hunger Games: Catching Fire, a movie seen by billions of people around the world. That one placement changed everything for Claudio. He went from being an unknown artist to international acclaim with museum exhibitions, global press, and a business that continues to keep him busy 10 years later. And because he had me, he didn't pay a dime to the studios for that placement. In this course, I'm going to show you exactly how I made it happen and how you can do it for yourself. Welcome to Product Placement Mastery, getting your brand into the public eye, a 3-part insider course where I reveal the strategies I've used for years to get my fashion and lifestyle clients' products placed in blockbuster films and major television shows without my clients paying any placement fees. You'll learn how to identify the right decision makers, craft irresistible outreach, navigate pre- and post-production cycles, and protect your products legally, all with the goal of getting your products seen by millions, maybe even billions around the world. But if you're watching this on YouTube, you're only getting half the experience. To access the full course experience, plus more than $2,500 in Hollywood-level resources, head over to the PRadvisor.com website and register for free to unlock these masterclass bonuses. Did I mention all for free? You'll get a 20-minute private one-on-one session with me to answer all of your product placement questions. You'll also get an 11-week Hollywood Insider email series that's packed with advanced placement tactics, templates, casting intelligence, timing strategies, and industry secrets. You also get a set of professional product loan agreement templates, the same legal protections I use to keep my clients' products safe during filming. And finally, you're going to get a lifetime access to the PR Advisor Private Society. This is where you'll receive invitations to my monthly live stream Q&A sessions with other entrepreneurs like yourself who are ready to make their business into something everyone in the world knows about. So, no ad budget, no product placement fees, no problem. You don't need millions to get your products seen by billions. You only need this course to teach you everything that I know. So, what are you waiting for? Go to the PRadvisor.com website, register for free for the full course experience, and let's get you the type of publicity money can't buy. I'll see you on the inside.